Hello guys and welcome. This is a quick video. I will add it to one of the days of the video daily release, so it will be 2 videos rather than 1, because not everyone wants to follow up the channel. Sorry for my hair. We fixed that Xbox, okay, just in 2 episodes, last episodes, and now some parcel came. I want to see what came because I got no idea what I've ordered. That came from Netherlands. Quite excited. From China there should come one thing, and that thing was a display with a digitizer. That should come from China, and I don't remember what else I ordered apart from that. Okay, let us see here. Okay. Open it by the commission. Yes, and here as well. Okay. Voila. Let's see if that's the display. If so, we can fix. Oh, I think I'm right. It doesn't want to go, and I don't want to pull it because we can damage it quicker than it came through. Good packaging, at least for now. And the key is so. I'm telling you, sometimes I'm so great, and I'll show you what I've done. Key is spilled. That's all water here, wet. Oh well, I'll need to pause, but I want to see this screen if it's not cracked. So as I started, oh no. Guys, it is cracked. I can't believe it, but it is cracked. I'm going on a bet that this is a crack here. That's why I wanted to record it. I don't know if you will be able to see it. But I can see it. I'm afraid it's not worth even to... Oh no, it's frozen. Oh. Okay. I don't know what's wrong. Hello? Okay, you can hear me back. Now let's fix the display. But I can't believe the screen came cracked. Let me try to restore it. Cybertruck USB, and now back to the Cybertruck. Okay, you can hear me, you can see me, and that should be okay. What I want to say is, can you see the display? I can't believe. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm afraid that this came damaged, and it was well packed to be true. Here it goes like that, and I know as okay. Okay, can you hear me back? You can hear me back, great. Well, I can give it a shot, but I do believe that it will be a problem. Let me bring back the view. Okay, and bring back the view. Sorry guys for this disconnecting, but I wanted to show you in detail. Oh, and it's bent here. Actually, you can see that at the place it's not straight. Okay, it's not straight. Do I have something straight to put on? I don't know if I have. This laptop, this should be quite flat. I'll put it on this. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but I can see the gap in the center here. And this should be flat, guys. That's why I knew it might be cracked. And it's exactly in this place here. So 127 pounds came faulty. Unbelievable. And it was well packed. So I don't know how it's possible that this happened to be true. I've got no idea. But I'm going to write to the seller because, you know, we've got it on video that it was well packed, everything. So I would claim as insurance for that seller if possible, because it's impossible. You know, like it's no way I could damage it. You've seen me opening it. I couldn't make a damage. We didn't hear any crack sound as well. It came and it's bent. It's not straight. So for me, yes, for me it's looking like it came like that. Because the packaging don't have any signs of damage. Okay, there's no signs of damage, and it's bent. If this wouldn't come bent, then I would understand, you know, that it could be maybe during the packaging or something. But we didn't do anything. It was well packed, wrapped with 2 wraps. Sometimes stuff is coming to you, you know, and it's just what it is. But it's unfortunate for the customer, because customer is waiting for it for a number of weeks, and I've said to the customer, maybe let's install, you know, some monitor like this, yes, and just, you know, install the motherboard at the back and don't spend 127 pounds on this screen. But as you see, you know, if customer wanted the way it's supposed to be done, then customer will have to wait one more time for a shipping from China. What else you will see in the next episodes, next weeks? It's this laptop, okay? Keyboard stopped working. My soon probably as well, because it's all spilled now with a tea. No sugar, fortunately. I don't drink tea with sugar, so that's a good thing. But this keyboard is really old, so it's fine. And then there is a second laptop as well to repair. Here is, I think, password on the BIOS. So I need to either crack the password or just order chip and do it. We will see if the password is on the BIOS, which needs 3.3 volt, then my programmer will do it. If no, I will just order a chip from eBay. And then the rest, well, I thought we will do this. Now we can't do it. This is working, the Xbox. So those are the next jobs. We will see them, and there are more TVs as well, guys. More TVs. So anyways, I need to repair a few Xboxes, and I need to repair some PlayStation, and I need to repair Nintendo Switches, because Christmas is coming and people want to buy stuff on a Christmas, yeah? Plus mainboard came. Oh, one more thing. Mainboard came to those 2 LGs, which always lie in here, to see if that's a fault of the mainboard or something else, okay? So that's what came as well. So those will be the episodes in the next days, weeks on this YouTube channel. But that's it for today for the update. As you see, sometimes can come faulty. So guys, you can wish me good luck now with returning that, because it's not my fault. It came as is. It came well packed, but as we've seen, you know, when I put the laptop underneath, we could see the bend, yes. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.